And I'm going to share what I have found the common threads to make tech work. Number one, develop and evolve a top talent culture. Secondly, improve your processes before you start any implementation. And third, take the time to develop an end-to-end comprehensive technology roadmap. Every good culture has its behaviors and its values, and we do too, but I want to just hit on this one because it is so important. At this med device company in the implementation, it was command and control, dates, dollars, deliverables at all costs. If the team spoke up, they were pushed down. Just go fix it, don't complain. So what do you think happened? They stopped talking. They stopped giving feedback. And when I came in there, it was clear we needed to turn that around and create a speak-up culture. But the only way you create a speak-up culture is to have a listen-up culture, where their managers and your leaders are soliciting feedback. They're asking for ways they can do better. They're complimenting their team and thanking them when they give constructive ideas. And they're taking action based on what they hear. And because tech implementations can be so challenging, it's really important that you have leaders who can motivate and energize the team. Leaders ensure their teams are appreciated. You look at any employee satisfaction survey, the number one factor is something to do with people feeling valued for what they do. That they're challenged, and I don't mean a lot of extra work, I mean stretch assignments, innovative methods. That they're heard, because great talent wants to have a voice. They want to make a contribution. They want their opinion to matter. And that they're informed. You as leaders know a lot of things that your team may not know, that the team wants to know about their work, about the company. And even when you can't tell them, letting them know when you can tell them is very helpful to the team. And a big one is development, making sure your great talent has personal and career path growth plans, because the talent really appreciates that you are investing your resources in them. Love this quote, give people a reputation and they will live up to it. As a leader, especially in a tech implementation, times get tense, but you gotta step back and praise the good work when you see it. If you don't, people feel that you don't appreciate them. But giving great feedback publicly when people are doing a good job, especially in a tech implementation, it energizes the group. It gives them confidence that they can deliver. Now, I'm not saying not to give constructive feedback, that's important, but just remember, praise publicly, admonish privately. Over these last 3 years in our journey to make tech work, we've seen by focusing on people and culture, we have a 50% improvement in supplier onboarding cycle time. We've eliminated 100,000 days of system time annually. We've created visibility and accountability that never was seen in the organization. And as a result, our savings is also up 2.5 times what they were 3 years ago. There's a demand for our talent, and procurement has become a destination. And due to this focus on culture and people, what was perceived a few years ago as a tactical back office function now is considered a strategic pillar in the company's growth. This document here was publicly shared with investors and analysts to show what were the key drivers in the strategy to grow the business, and procurement was listed as one of them.